Welcome back, everyone. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. Let's get started, shall we? I'm going to start off in Acapulco, Mexico. Right away, you can see that it would appear that the sun is very large. Um, what I see is the sun pinching through in between things, planets, glaring off their sides, basically. As the sun goes down, you'll see what I mean. And right there, we saw the sun drop behind the mountain, and look at all that. The sky doesn't reflect. I've said it before, I'll say it again. That is the sun's light reflecting off of rotating planets. The bottoms of them, anyway, pinching through. You can see over there on the left, the blue sky is staying blue. It's quite interesting looking, really. It's got like a back dark side look to it on the left there, and then on the right, look at that. It's like a bluish green color. Then you got that great big red ball in the background going down. All right, moving on to the next one. And all the flickering is from the rotation of the planet and its atmosphere as the sun's light comes through it. Otherwise, it wouldn't be doing that. You see how the light's kind of pinched, like it's really having an issue. Well, look at that right there. See that on the right, the round part of the what the sun is behind, coming around the side now. See, it looks like it come down from behind something just to go behind something else. You see how the sun's still reflecting off the sky? You can't even see the sun. You can't say that's a camera error or malfunction. I mean, look at the shadow on the right. It's casting a shadow into the sky. There on the left too. More shadow, which means it was behind something, came down, and got behind something else. So we're overlapping. The light's still getting to us, but it's being pinched. And as I've showed you before, it only takes a sliver of the sun to illuminate the entire side of the planet. That's how bright it is. Now we'll get a view from no sun in the frame. Now, with no sun in the frame, you see the shadow lines going across as these goes down? There should be no shadow lines because it should be bright enough, like it used to be, not to see shadows in the sky during the day as the sun comes down. After the sun goes down, totally different story. But see how dark? See how the light's rounding up on the right? How it's being blocked? Now that the sun's down far enough, all the clouds illuminate. Imagine that. Again, shadows during the day in the sky makes no sense. The only time you see that is during eclipses when you're in the eclipse zone. Shadows become sharper and more defined. Just, you can see them in the sky more. But not during the day. Oop, I'm going to get some rain on this one. Sorry about that. Yeah. Someone tell me it's a normal sunset when it looks like that. Rain or not. Look how dark it is. There's nothing in the way of the sun. Well, from our viewpoint. I noticed that when things are in front of the sun, wind picks up, just like the other guy said in his video, when he was doing the eclipse video. Now, there shouldn't be any flashing on this because, you know, so many clouds and whatnot, but I'm sure there will be. Yeah, look at that. See, there's more than one thing there. Definitely. This is over in Manzanillo, or something like that. See that big shadow on the left already? That was there before the sun ever started coming into frame. And there goes the sun. And look at it flashing on what's still there. See? You tell me when the sky has done that before. Well, like the sign says, thanks for watching.